In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a WebEx meeting with meeting number and password. First, let's start by launching WebEx on your device. You can do this by locating the WebEx application on your desktop or mobile device. If you have not installed it yet, you may need to download it from the official website. Once you open the app, you will see a clean interface designed for easy navigation. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything that follows. A smooth start ensures you are ready for your meeting without any last-minute hitches. Next, log in if prompted. If you are already logged in, you can skip this step. However, if this is your first time using WebEx or if you have logged out, you will need to enter your credentials. This usually means your email and password. After entering your information, click the Login button. Logging in is essential as it secures your account and provides access to all features. You want to make sure your login is successful before proceeding. Now, click the Join a Meeting button or locate the search bar at the very top of your home screen. This button is typically clearly labeled and easy to find. If you choose to use the search bar, it should be prominently displayed. This action is important because it directs you to the next phase of the meeting entry process. You want to ensure you are in the right section of the application to join your meeting smoothly. After that, type the 9-digit or 11-digit meeting number, also called the access code, into the field and click Join. The meeting number is usually provided by the host of the meeting. Make sure to enter it accurately, as any mistake here can prevent you from accessing the meeting. This step is vital because it directly connects you to the specific meeting you wish to join. If you input the number correctly, you will see a confirmation that you are ready to proceed. Next, enter the meeting password in the pop-up field when prompted. Then click OK or Join. The password is another layer of security for the meeting, ensuring that only invited participants can enter. It is essential to have this password handy as it is typically sent alongside the meeting link. Entering the correct password is crucial for gaining access to the meeting content. Once you successfully input it, you will receive a notification confirming your entry into the meeting. Finally, adjust your microphone and video preview. Then click the green Join Meeting button to enter. This is your last chance to check your audio and video settings before joining. You want to ensure your microphone is working and your video is set up correctly. This step is significant as it allows you to present yourself well during the meeting and contributes to effective communication. After confirming that everything looks good, click the Join Meeting button. You are now ready to participate fully in the meeting. Remember, following these steps carefully will help you have a seamless experience while joining WebEx meetings. It's all about preparation and attention to detail. With practice, this process will become second nature to you. Thank you for watching, and happy meeting!